Looking for the best GPS tracker for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 GPS tracker that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find a GPS tracker that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended GPS tracker. Number 1 on the list is LandAirSea 54 GPS tracker. This product provides real-time tracking anywhere in the United States thanks to its 4G LTE cellular connection. It features a rechargeable battery that can last up to 2 weeks on a single charge, all in a discreet size. If you need a reliable GPS tracker that can track movements in real time, check out the LandAirSea 54 GPS tracker. This micro GPS tracker device discrete unit is about the size of a small roll of Scotch tape. You can even disable any LED lights to hide the tracker completely. It is waterproof with a built-in magnet, meaning it is easy to install on your vehicle, with no additional accessories needed. The fast 4G LTE cellular connection keeps you connected in the United States, with the included battery lasting up to 2 weeks on a single charge. The 54 GPS tracker has software compatible with Mac, PC, iOS, and Android devices, where you can keep an eye on your tracker and set up features such as geofencing for alerts when the device leaves a specified area. If you desire, you can also sign up for roadside assistance, but it will cost you an additional fee. The only thing we don't love is that the cellular ability is limited to the United States, so this is not a great choice if you need a global solution. If you're taking this tracker on your next camping trip, you might want to consider one of the best disaster food kits, just in case. Second on the list is Tracki 2020 GPS tracker, a small, lightweight tracker that can be used around the world to track cars, boats, drones, and more. Depending on your needs, this tracker can last up to 30 days on a single charge, with an optional battery extender available. The Tracki 2020 GPS tracker is an excellent option for those who need international tracking abilities. Tracki built its tracker to support worldwide coverage around the globe, including the USA, Canada, and 185 other countries. It is a fully customizable tracking app able to track logging and track time almost anywhere. Additionally, this tracker's location can be accessed on any computer or iPhone/Android app using GPS, GSM, or Wi-Fi, as well as Bluetooth tracking within 100 feet. The battery life can reach up to 30 days on a single charge if real-time GPS tracker functionality is not needed. Otherwise, real-time will allow the Tracki unit to last 2 to 3 days. An optional battery extender is available for the Tracki. While it will add additional bulk, it will extend real-time tracking up to 2 weeks. Updating only 4 times a day will last you up to 6 months. The setup process is also quite easy and allows you to get started in only 5 minutes. While the size is excellent for discretion, the small battery life may be a limiting factor for those who seek real-time tracking. If you want to track your mileage on your next hike, take a look at the best fitness tracker as well. Number 3 on the list is PRIMETRACKING Personal GPS Tracker, with dimensions of 2.7 by 1.5 by 0.9 inches. This tracker fits into small spaces so that you can track anywhere in North America. Featuring a 4G LTE connection, you can track your subjects for up to 2 weeks on a charge. If you're looking for a device to fit into small spaces but still maintain decent battery life, we recommend the PRIMETRACKING Personal GPS Tracker. This discrete gadget is only 2.7 by 1.5 by 0.9 inches and weighs a bit over 2 ounces. The personal GPS uses multiple cellular networks to enable tracking anywhere in North America, including the United States, Canada, and Mexico. Worried about getting lost during your travels? Then this is the best GPS tracker for hiking. The real-time tracking feature allows you to track your unit with updates every 10 seconds. The software utilizes Google Maps to showcase specific activity, track location changes, and route history. We will note that similar to most trackers, a subscription fee is required. However, we found that PRIMETRACKING service to be a bit on the pricier side. If you want your kids to hike along with you, take a look at one of the best GPS trackers for kids. Number 4 on the list is LandAirSea GPS tracker. This is the best GPS tracker for cars or trucks. It requires no battery and plugs directly into your vehicle's OBD port. In addition to tracking information, the LandAirSea saves information about your vehicle's engine, speed, and fuel. If you're tracking a vehicle, such as a car or truck, there is no better option than this GPS tracker device from LandAirSea. Plug this car GPS tracker directly into your vehicle's OBD port, typically located under the driver's side dashboard, eliminating the need for a rechargeable battery. In addition to standard tracking, the LandAirSea GPS can pull information from your vehicle, fuel economy, fuel level, true idling, and engine RPM. It's also got free roadside assistance within the USA, Canada, and Puerto Rico through LandAirSea Premium. Alerts can also be set up with the LandAirSea for speed, braking, and rapid acceleration. When the vehicle is turned off, the device continues to share location reporting every hour. While the LandAirSea vehicle GPS tracker shines high for its abilities, we will note that some individuals have had trouble with customer support, leaving for an area of improvement. However, thanks to its use of the OBD port, it is the best hidden GPS tracker for car. If you want your car to be prepared for anything. Number 5 on the list is Jiobit Real-Time Location Tracker. This device helps to keep your kids safe by providing real-time location updates. The small, durable design allows for the device to be easily worn by children without getting damaged. Track at every distance, even inside. Nothing is more terrifying than turning around in a crowded mall or outdoor space, finding that your child is no longer visible. Thanks to the Jiobit Real-Time Location Tracker, you can keep an eye on your kids, even if you aren't nearby. This is done using beaconing technology using cellular, Wi-Fi, GPS, or Bluetooth, with accuracy and reliability. The included clip is durable and allows you to clip the unit onto your child's clothing or shoes with ease. Best of all, the tracking function works both indoors and outdoors, making it the best GPS tracker for kids. Jiobit is a US company with technical support based here in the States. If you need assistance with your product, you can be connected to the Chicago-based support team. While we love the Jiobit, the battery life tends to last only a few days in most situations, so make sure you charge it before clipping it to your child. If you love the outdoors, you might also be interested in the best emergency blanket too. Just now is a list of 5 best GPS tracker that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.